Hi guys, I'm with Thandeka King and she's been nominated for Best Actress at the SAFTAs 13 taking place this weekend in Sun City. How do you feel?
I'm really grateful to God. I'm grateful for the opportunity to be in the industry, to be able to showcase my talent, and I'm grateful to the panel that nominated me and thought that my work is good enough to be verified in that manner. To me, the nomination is already a win, and I'm truly grateful.
And if you won, what would that mean for you and your career?
I don't know. I really don't know. I don't want to think that far. I'm just in the present right now. I just know that I'd have to continue working hard. Whether or not I win, I would have to still continue working hard and keep making my skill better and better.
Thank you.